In January 2018, the Minister for Housing, Owen Murphy, under the Rebuilding Ireland programme, announced a new affordable loan scheme to help people on low incomes to buy houses at affordable rates. The scheme was announced with great fanfare, but it proved in time to be very difficult because of the length of time it took to get an application processed and all of the hurdles that loan applicants had to jump through. Notwithstanding that, there was an expectation that the loan scheme would be expanded. The Minister in fact gave that commitment last year. However, we now learn from Morning Ireland, from Louise O'Byrne in Morning Ireland, through a memo she got under Freedom of Information, that the Housing Department has been advised that no more approvals can be issued. There are about 1,600 approvals so far, about 575 loans drawn down, and 107 million in funding drawn down. But it was amazing, really, that we learned of this through Freedom of Information and through Morning Ireland. The Minister made no announcement of this to the public, who were still applying, and made no announcement of this to Dáil. And I pose the question to the Taoiseach: why is there this inability to be upfront, to be transparent and honest with the Dáil and indeed with the general public, who have a right to know these things? This is unacceptable, because we all know how difficult it has been for loan applicants, all of the various documentation they've had to get, the hurdles they've had to jump, and it's been very frustrating processing individual applications. And now we learn that perhaps behind all of this was a reluctance by government to give out loans and to give out approvals, and this essentially was confirmed today. We're calling on government to expand the scheme. It's an important initiative to help people on low incomes get loans. Why is it that Fine Gael always seems to let down the people on low incomes, people who want to buy their own houses at affordable prices and at affordable loan rates?